Greetings everyone. Do you want to make something like this? Yes, I am going to show you on how to mark beats from music in Kdenlive using only open source software. We need Kdenlive, Tenacity, LibreOffice. Download the audio file. Here I am downloading it from Pixabay. Start Tenacity. Import audio. Click here to select the whole track. Then click on Analyze. Next, click on Beat Finder. Just for this demo, I will set it to 90. Modify it as per your needs. Next, click on Edit, then on Label, Edit Labels. Here is the label editor mode. Click on Export. Note, it can only export it as text file. Start LibreOffice Calc. Click on File, then Open. A new dialog box will open. Make sure the settings are same, then click on OK. Select whole B column and delete it. In the new column, enter the following formula. Equal. Text. Open bracket. Select cell A1. Then slash or divide. By 86400. Comma. Double quotation. H8, colon. colon. SS, dot. 3 times 0, then double quotation, close bracket, hit enter. Next, click and drag till here. All the values will be converted. Next, copy values. Open new file. Paste special. Select text only. Click OK. Type 1 and fill series. Finally, save the file as text CSV. And change extension to .txt. Click Save. Open Kdenlive, import audio. Then click on Guides, select Import. Import the file. And done. Now let's test it out. Make few adjustments wherever necessary and you are done. Now I have shown you a cool way to do this on open source software which was previously limited to paid corporate software. If this video helps in making your videos more engaging, please don't forget to smash that like button and share the video. And also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.